This is Dapowsports D1. At the first glance, it's just a treadmill. But then it transforms into an eyebrow roller, perfect for someone like me with a growing belly and an urgent need to get back in shape. But wait, there's more. It can also be used as a rowing machine. And not only that, by switching out different accessories, it becomes a full-fledged strength training station. So you can always target the areas you want to work on. Hey, what's up? Sam here. I've been using this machine for about 10 days now and have literally lost around 3 kilograms. Here's my real-life review of the Dapowsports D1, starting with the unboxing. Yay! So, out of the box, we have the pulley handle, rowing handle, under wrench and the lubricant, some paperwork like the manual and the warranty card, a safety key, a cable, and a waist belt for squats. Alright. And finally, the main body of the Dapo treadmill. I have to say, it's really well protected. In addition to the foam, they even included several wooden slabs inside the package. All in all, that's everything included in the box. Now, let's assemble it. First, unscrew the buttons on both sides under the seat cushion. Then lift the column. Unscrew in 2 screws under the cushion and 2 screws on the sides of the base. That's it, it won't take more than 5 minutes. And that's the treadmill mode. Before I show you the other modes, let me give you a quick design walkthrough. On top, we have the upper handle. Notice that there is a bar underneath it, so you can pull it out to adjust the position of the handle. There's also a front handle here. You'll notice that the yellow spot is for the magnetic safety key. There's a screen which I'll show you a little bit later. Moving down, there's the central column supported by 2 brackets. And a cushion at the front. There's also a clip and another screen for the rowing mode. Beside them are 2 pedals and a strap to secure your feet. Of course, we cannot forget about the running belt. Last but not least are the 2 wheels at the bottom, which make it really easy to maneuver from place to place, so you can use it wherever you want. Now speaking of that, let's put the thing to work. Connect to the power source, switch it on, attach the safety key, clip the other end to your clothes, and you're ready to go. A little more about the screen. Press the start pause button to enter running mode. You can also press the numbers like 3, 6, 9, and 12 to jump directly to the speed you desire. Or you can press the minus or plus key to adjust the speed in 0.1 kilometers increments. Of course, when you want to stop running, just press the start pause button to let it stop gradually. Another way to stop is by pulling out the safety key, which will stop the treadmill immediately to prevent any further injury. While you're running, the screen will alternatively display your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. And that's the display, super simple to operate. And that's how you use the D1 as a treadmill. Now, let's switch to the eyebrow roller. Unscrew the 2 knobs on both sides of the base, move the brackets to the screw holes next to the guard plate and tighten them. Pull the box out slightly to adjust the upper handle so it's parallel to the column, and just like that, it's an eyebrow roller. My favorite mode, I guess, is the rowing machine. Switching from the eyebrow roller to rowing mode is no big deal. Just move the brackets forward and secure them. Lower the main column and tighten the 2 screws under the cushion. Hook up the pulley handle, connect the machine to the power if you forgot to from the eyebrow roller mode. Then secure your feet on the pedals and strap them in. And you're ready to roll. Like I mentioned before, there's also a small screen for the rowing exercise. You can choose your pulling force, which ranges from 7 kilograms to a max of 35 kilograms. The screen will alternatively display your strokes, total time, calories burned, and more. You can also stand in front of the machine and pull vertically to do upper body training. If you want to engage in a variety of training modes, the D1 has you covered. You can easily switch to the rowing handle and use the waist belt for squats or other exercises, making it a complete strength training station. But that's not all. This versatile machine also comes with smart features like a built-in speaker and a phone app to enhance your workout experience. The app is intuitive, offering all the functions available on the D1 screen and much more. You can set your goals in the app, and there are programs available that act like tutorials. Just follow along. Even more fun, they have the virtual run option that offers a variety of running environments like New York City, Japan's Sakura Lake, or different seasonal settings. Let's choose a snowy day here. It's super fun. You can even customize your avatar. And of course, it also records all your exercise data, and that's basically the app. As for the speaker, well, it's decent, not amazing, but better than nothing. So that's my walkthrough of the Dapowsports D1. After using it for several days, I think it's a game changer in home fitness. Unlike traditional equipment that can quickly become monotonous, the D1 offers a variety of modes to keep things interesting. Tired of running? Switch to the rowing machine mode, or do some squats. And with its built-in Bluetooth speaker, you can enjoy your favorite music while working out. What I love most is how compact and versatile the D1 is. It fits perfectly under my standing desk, allowing me to exercise while watching a movie or even working, something that's hard to find in other fitness equipment. I've tested plenty of gear before, and they're either too bulky or not versatile enough, but the D1 ticks all the boxes. So in one sentence, whether you are looking to lose weight, build strength, or just stay active, this machine has something for you. If you are interested in elevating your fitness routine, check the link in the description and back the project now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.